Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. I just want you guys to please check out this beautiful short natural hairstyles that will keep you on trend in 2025. One thing about this hairstyle is that they are that exclusive selection of trend setting ideas that will give your natural hair cut the excellent example of a hairstyle that entitles a strong yet feminine image. So as one of the most low maintenance short natural hairstyle, this is one of the perfect short natural hairstyles to make your fine hair appear fuller. So here in Wendy Styles, we've got you covered with this beautiful expert haircut recommendations and styling tips on how you can take care of your hair and the right product you can use. So if you're on the lookout for stylish short natural hairstyles for black women, here in Wendy Styles we've got you covered with these beautiful classy and simple short haircuts that are perfect for high lighting, boost volume, and that style that will add movement and frame your face with the stylish short layered cuts that are easy to maintain. So I would like you guys to please choose your ideal cuts in this our beautiful carefully selected short natural hairstyles that are really great and creates that easy lived-in appearance with lots of body. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. Just give your haircut that nice trim with this classic natural hairstyles for black women, and let me know your minds on how you feel about the styles, and please watch the video to the end. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now. They want to say something.
Fit with me, not so high, anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song I'm right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so
it's like I'm proving myself and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't no. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
But since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go.
If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my let go. If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my let go.
I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song I'm right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life new.
If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no love me and so. If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no love me and so.